Decentralized Oracle networks such as Chainlink eliminate any single point of failure in a smart contract by utilizing multiple data inputs. This enables end-to-end reliability and allows high-value smart contracts in low-trust environments to become viable. Every single blockchain project that's trying to do anything other than be a digital store of value will require a decentralized Oracle network to garner potential users. No reputable entity with high-value contracts will use any project that has a single point of failure. Since this doesn't ensure end-to-end reliability, they might as well stick to the traditional way of doing their contracts. This video is brought to you by Answerly, a question platform that pays you for adding high-quality answers on different questions. The users are rewarded in Answerly tokens, which they can easily convert into dollars or any other cryptocurrency by using one of the exchanges mentioned in the description. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Chainlink. If you're new here, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to get updates whenever we post. Emerging from the depths of the 2018 bear market, Chainlink or Link burst onto the scene out of nowhere. With investors still trying to understand what Chainlink is about, this Chainlink review will tell you everything you need to know about this potentially revolutionary blockchain project. Before going into what Chainlink is, you have to understand the concept of an oracle. Oracles are basically data feeds that connect blockchains to off-blockchain data, which could include anything from asset prices to the weather. Connecting smart contracts to real-world data presents a huge opportunity. Without access to real-world data, smart contracts are limited to use cases that only use on-chain data that's stored on the blockchain. This limitation resulted in many of the early decentralized applications or dApps being gambling-related. Chainlink then is a decentralized Oracle network that allows blockchain smart contracts to connect to off-blockchain data in a decentralized way. While there are oracles that already allow blockchains to access data from the outside world, they're usually centralized. The problem with that is, without decentralized oracles, the decentralized nature of public blockchains becomes useless. This is because a blockchain can't be decentralized if its data comes from a centralized source. The danger of centralized oracles demonstrated itself when Synthetics, one of the top decentralized finance or DeFi projects, experienced a bug caused by an oracle data outage. A trading bot quickly exploited the bug to make $1 billion in less than an hour. The Synthetics team and trading bot owner agreed on a deal to restore the lost funds. But the incident showed the dangers of relying on a centralized oracle, which brings back the problems of centralization that decentralized blockchains are working to fix. Funny enough, Synthetics has since entered into a partnership with Chainlink. As of January 31, 2020, Chainlink powers more than $100 million of DeFi, or about 10% of DeFi at the time. Here's how Chainlink works. The main function of Chainlink is to create a bridge between on-chain resources and off-chain resources. This means there are two primary components in the Chainlink architecture, an on-chain infrastructure and an off-chain infrastructure. Let's see how both work. On-chain functions. The on-chain smart contracts are the first part of Chainlink's architecture. Included in the smart contracts are oracles, which are created to process user data requests. These oracles will take any user requests for off-chain data that are submitted to the network using a requesting contract and process them, sending them to the appropriate smart contract to be matched with an oracle that can then provide the needed off-chain data. There are three types of contracts that can help with matching: the reputation contract, the order matching contract, and the aggregating contract. The reputation contract ensures that the oracle provider is reliable and trustworthy. If it is, the request is passed to the order matching contract, which works to pass the requesting contract to an appropriate oracle based on the service level being requested and the bids from the oracles. Finally, the aggregating oracle collects data from the selected oracles and delivers the best results to the requesting contract. Off-chain functions. Off-chain components are the other part of the Chainlink architecture. These are oracle nodes that exist off-chain, but are connected to the Ethereum network. I say Ethereum network here because currently Chainlink is only capable of interfacing with Ethereum smart contracts, but in the future, it's planned to work with many different networks and smart contracts. The bulk of the work is done by these off-chain oracles as they collect most of the data being requested. All of the data collected is processed through Chainlink Core, which is the software that connects the Chainlink blockchain with off-chain data sources. Chainlink Core is responsible for processing data and passing it to the on-chain oracle. All of this work by the off-chain nodes isn't done as charity. These nodes expect to receive payment for the data collection and transmission, and they're paid in Link tokens. There's a secondary function of off-chain nodes that make them quite useful to developers. The off-chain nodes allow for the integration of external adapters, which are like decentralized applications or dApps on the Ethereum network. External adapters are written by developers to perform subtasks within the external nodes. This makes data collection and processing more efficient. Chainlink use cases. Quite possibly the biggest positive development so far at Chainlink is its partnership with the Swift banking transaction network. Let's face it, Swift is one of the largest global financial networks, and success with them could lead to many other partnerships within the finance industry, from banks to payment processors to insurance outfits. While Swift isn't flat out using Chainlink, it is developing the Swift Smart Oracle with the help of Chainlink, and that leaves it possible for integrations between the two. Another positive is that Chainlink has little competition, and even those that are working on blockchain Oracle development are far behind Chainlink. The Link token was under pressure throughout 2018, but that's true of the entire cryptocurrency market. After hitting a bottom in June 2018, it made a nice recovery and was powered even higher beginning in April 2019, as traders and investors learned that Chainlink was launching on the Ethereum mainnet. Since then, the price is up roughly 400%. The partnership that Chainlink has forged are part of its strength as well. The Swift partnership is the largest, but isn't the only solid partnership already formed by Chainlink. It's interesting because it seems the team behind Chainlink has focused on building partnerships rather than on marketing, and that's a large part of the reason the coin goes unnoticed by most cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Chainlink has been extremely active in adding new partners and node operators since the launch of the Ethereum mainnet. It seems as if hardly a day or two goes by without a new announcement of a partner joining to run a Chainlink node. All of this has been extremely positive for Chainlink, increasing the adoption of the blockchain even as the team continues focusing on development rather than marketing. It appears that Chainlink markets itself and new partners come looking for Chainlink rather than the other way around. Have you ever wondered where to buy Chainlink? Looking to buy some Link? If you already have crypto, you can download the Exodus Chainlink wallet to exchange crypto assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum for Link without creating an account or ever leaving your wallet. For a guide on how to do that, see our article on how to exchange assets in Exodus. If you don't have crypto, you can use centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, and Bitstamp to purchase cryptocurrency with your local government agency such as US dollar or euro. On some exchanges, you can buy Link directly with government currencies. Otherwise, you might have to buy more popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum first before exchanging for Link in Exodus or on centralized exchanges. Clearly, Chainlink is aiming to achieve big things. In its early days, Chainlink was known for its close association with 4chan, a site known for its controversial content. 4chan users posted and still post about Link endlessly, leading many to think Chainlink was a joke or a meme. However, Link's promise is starting to show with its real-world application through various high-profile partnerships and growing usage of Chainlink oracles. Of course, achieving Chainlink's ultimate goals won't be easy since the success of Chainlink depends on the following: global adoption of smart contracts, demand for decentralized oracles for smart contracts. Chainlink's ability to grow into a reliable and secure decentralized oracle solution will definitely emerge on the way to Chainlink's goal of solving the elusive oracle problem. But for now, Chainlink seems to be leading the way in linking the world to blockchain technology. The Chainlink network addresses the major problems with collecting off-blockchain data that have plagued the smart contract system since its creation. It would open up new pathways and usher in a new wave of updated smart contracts by allowing smart contracts access to off-chain data. Is it the best time to invest in Chainlink? What do you think? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. To learn more about Answerly and Answerly tokens, check out the links in the description.